Good morning, traders. We got Wish popping up. AMC close to breaking 60. A lot of things to watch this morning, that's for sure. OCGN starting to pop back up a little bit. ALF popping out the gate. That's going to be one to keep an eye on. Yeah, that's going to be... I don't know. There's so many to watch this morning. Wish is still pushing up. CLSD. They have some primary endpoints, Matt. We've seen these start running. Actually, I may take a position on this. See this on the 1 minute. I'm going at 420. Just looking for these EMAs to hold up here. On the 5 minute, it just needs to get back above the 20. We got 30 seconds for us to try to close over the 20. Got room up to 450. It's that high a year. You see, it's still trying to hold the 20 on the 1 minute. 50's at 396 there. This could sell off. It doesn't hold up $4. Need to see us back over 420 soon. Needs to get back above all these EMAs. Let's see if it starts pushing here. Pushing to the downside a little bit. I don't like that. See some buyers coming in trying to hold it up. UFAB. That one's not on my watch list. Nice move there, but it's going to run into the 100-day and the 200 at 471. It is halted, but we'll just have to see where it comes out at. What the hell was I in? CLSD. CLSD may crack down. It was starting to crack here. Let me look at the 5 minute. I was just testing that 50-day. Yeah, it looked like it got halted. This does not come back up. In the next minute here. Oof. Yeah, buyers tried to come in. It's got shut down again. Big buyers at 380. Alpha's looking like it wants to fly. Yeah, Alpha's looking pretty decent. Break of 520, that definitely could run. So I'm going to go here, see if it can break 520. Testing it. Let me go back, make sure whatever the hell I was in. CLSD, oh, it's still cracking. Jesus, come on. This thing is cracked all morning and no buyers are coming in. It's just dumping. I'm trying to see if it's going to rebound off of that 100-day. Alpha's still struggling with that 520 area. Boy, Alpha's all over the place. Let's see. God, yeah, this looks terrible on the 1 minute, but it's bullish overall. 366. I'm just going to put a stop loss. Well, it's about to come down to it. Put that stop loss in there. I'm probably going to get stopped out. This thing just broke down terribly. I should have got out a long time ago. Ooh, Alf. Alf popping. Looks like we just got halted on Alf too, so very nice. Nice call out, Dom. Dom with a call out just in time, right for that halt. We are halted at that 513 area. Very nice. So I'm going to check these other two guys that I've been holding. They're not doing much. What's going on, Elvis? How's it going, buddy? Oh, I'll be damned. CLSD didn't hit my stop loss. It's pushing back up a little bit, so we'll let that see what it does for a little bit. But right now we're in ALF. Very low float. 12 million. We're actually halted right at the high a year. So let me look at this on the weekly chart. This could get nutty. Or it could sell off real hard. One of the two. Oh boy. Oh, this is a new IPO. Yeah, if we break 560 on this is going to go nuts. More than likely. We are a little bit off the 20 there. Interesting. Very interesting. See, that's not doing anything. Nothing there. Nothing there. UFAB just kind of rolling around. RQS, nothing there. Nothing there. OPG, probably nothing there. CANF might be a possible play. UXIN, that's selling off, so we can take that off. CLSD, that's that guy I'm still holding. OCGN popping up, nice U shape on OCGN, break a 715, 720. Could see this start to move up. It's got room to 750, 760 before it's going to run into some resistance. Yeah, right there, pre-market high. But it is making a nice little U shape. Yeah, break a 715, that could get going. Atomic Bomb, smash that like button. Talking big boy stuff here. If you guys haven't yet, if you didn't watch last night's episode of The Last Rip, the giveaway for $100 is in that description in the link right at the top. And we're doing a $50 Bitcoin giveaway on the Framework Fortune Crypto channel too. Because I appreciate all you guys do. And gotta give back. Oh yeah, this is close to cracking. Oh, it's trying to hold up again there. Alright, I'm just gonna let that do its thing. I don't care what that does. See, when do we get halted at? They didn't say. But perfect bounce off that 20-day, and you could call this a U-shape if you wanted to. It's nice little curl up there. See how crazy it goes. Preferably, we'd like to see it gap over 560 out of this halt. I don't know if it is or not. The way that dash is right there, it looks like it's just going to come out where it got halted at. See, CLSD coming back up to 380 so far. If I can get back above those EMAs, I may have a chance. Oh, here we go. Oh, big gap up to 6. See if we can break through 6. So buying volume really comes in here. Oh yeah, here we go. Pushing over 6. Now we're still struggling with it. We are off of that 20-day EMA quite a bit. If it doesn't break 6 here, I'm locking out. Oh, there we go. To 617. Little resistance at 615. If this breaks 615, this has got more in it. Oh, we got to push up to 620. Quick little break there. There we go. 620 acting as a little resistance. Breaking, ooh, very close to breaking 620. Boom, there it goes. All beautiful, all the way up to 635. How much more you got in you? We are quite a ways. A lot of resistance. Well, ooh, we're still pushing 637, 638. How much more you got? You got some more? Got buyers coming in, and if they can start stacking 625 on the bid. Well, they stacked at 615. Oh, 615 just got taken out. And this thing is all over the place at the moment. Let's see, this could be a pullback right here, so I'm probably about to jump out. See if 6 can hold. Oops, 6 not holding. Let's see, can you get back above 6 real quick? You're trying your little heart. There it goes, starting to get back above 6. I'm very close to locking this out. It is trying to hold in the 6 area. Starting to get bids at 6. Oh boy, this candle pushes over this candle. We're gonna get frisky here. Just got stopped out on the other play. Ooh, we might push for another new high here. We're getting real close. We're looking very good here. Very good. 640, some resistance. Let me take a peek key on the 5 minute here. We are getting support holding up 615. Really need to see support move up to 625. Starting to get we may be about to go again. That was real close to exploding right there. Do you have yeah, we got support starting to build at 625. That's good. That's what we want to see. Yeah, we got some bids sitting there. Boy, this is close to pushing. Up 625 crack there. Could see a pullback here because it could not break that 640. 625 starting to see. 625 is trying to hold. Yeah, buyers keep coming in there. Very nice. I'm starting to see 630 build as some support. Yep, 630 bid started stacking there. Very nice. We're about to explode here if this breaks through. Woo, close. A lot of sellers at 640. I think we hit 640 one more time. That's gonna, oh, nice close on that candle. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Put your, oh, so close. So close. Most of those sellers got taken out. See, 625 is going to hold. Nope, we get that rejection there at 640 that time, causing us to pull back. And we're right. Oof. Yeah, 625 still trying to hold. We're going to test 640 one more time. If it doesn't break 640 this time, I'm getting out. If it can push up there, it's trying. See, 630. Here we go. Boom, there we go. Past 650. Nice explosion there. We are going to get held up, it looks like, a little bit at 650. Oh, man. Big explosion and then pushed right back down. So there's a lot of selling pressure on this still. I need to sing to it. Yeah, it's doing pretty good at the moment, except for that little rejection there. But as long as we see 625 start to hold a support again, we're pretty much holding $6 support strong right there across that, and we're building a little bit higher lows each time. It's just concerning because we're way off the 20-day, but it is, it just did push for a new high. I just don't like it testing 6 because, like I said, if it cracks 6, I am getting out. But it looks like it's trying to hold up. Nice buyers at 6 as the 20-day is getting closer on the 1 minute, which is what we want to see. Woo, 6 almost cracked there. We're testing $6 support very, very hard. Bitcoin, last I checked, it was looking fine. It was over 40,000, so interesting. See, 6 still holding up. It was below 6 for a minute, but that 20 days getting closer and closer. So that's very nice because as long as the 20-day holds up on the 1 minute, we can continue to ride this bad boy. Well, actually, no. Bitcoin's looking good long term because they Taproot finally was able to get a block to activate. So Taproot is going to be bringing some big upgrades to Bitcoin. It's going to make Bitcoin compete with Ethereum. So I think we're going to have a very hot crypto market the rest of this summer, as those two are going to be competing head to head pretty much as the blockchain. Because I was bullish on Ethereum and bearish on Bitcoin until the Taproot activation thing happened, and then I was like, oh boy, that's going to change everything. We're making a nice little U shape off of that $6 so far. A little selling at 620 again. They're getting taken out though. No big deal there. We don't want to see it back down testing 6. Getting held up at 615 a little bit. Yeah, we're starting to get held up 615. That needs to break here soon. Well, the buyers are trying to hold 6. If we can see a push up on this candle, that 20-day will be almost all the way caught up. So we're going to test 6 again though as support. Ooh, a lot of buyers right under 6 right now. They're sitting right on that 20-day. A little bit of selling at 610 now. You can see those resistance areas are moving down. Sellers keep moving down. They're putting a lot of pressure on this, but they are getting taken out. Let's see if we can break 615 again here. There we go. Okay, we're flirting with it. See 615 still holding up some. Oh, we're back down testing support again. We got good support now though. $6 is held very nicely so far, and now that 20-day is right below it. So if it cracks at this point, it was just meant to crack. No, do not hope. Never hope with investments. Have a plan. Have a trading plan, entries and exits. Hope will get you in trouble. There's no room for Jedi mumbo jumbo here. This is the dark side. As soon as you took that first trade into cryptos or stock market, whatever your first trade was, you entered the dark side. Boy, we are having some indecision on this boy right now. It is really trying to figure out what it wants to do. See, the 20-day on the 5-minute is way down here at $5, so that's why I'm keeping my finger on the trigger, because if this cracks this $6 area, a strong crack, if it can't hold up and keep pushing back up, it's going to drop pretty hard. But if 6 holds up, then that'll confirm to buyers that, oh, this thing is holding its gains, so we can jump back in there and try to get some more gains. So that's just what we're waiting on right now. We're consolidating sideways right above the support. Got the 20-day caught up on the 1-minute. We just got to get over 615 though and start holding. 615's got to stop acting as resistance and start acting as support. And that's kind of the battle that's going on right now. Sellers are trying to keep it below 615, and they're trying to move down and push it below 6. You know you're going to have some shorters in there. This is up 78%. You see, every time we push over 615, sellers just knocking it back down. Ooh, testing right here. Testing support, getting close to a crack. Very close to a crack. Hunter Biden would be excited right now. Oh, 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 oh. I think I'm about to have to lock it out here. Let's see. Unless it pops back over 6 really quick. I'm locking this out. I'm getting out. Oh, what's going on? Oh no. Oh, I got too many shares. Stupidity again. Stupidity. Now it's starting to push back up a little bit. So maybe it was a happy little accident. It was just a little happy drop. We just need to see it get up to that price right there. Right up to that $6. A little happy $6 price. He's just, that $6 price is just walking around, just enjoying his life. He's just enjoying it. This is a happy little candle right here. Look how happy this candle is. He's just having a time. Good morning, Brian. 585 is trying to hold up. But you can see the sellers are pushing it down. I'm trying to give it a chance. 574 starting to build us some new support. Or not, well, not really new, but let's see. Let's check what we got on the 15-minute. God, on the 15-minute, we're way above the EMAs. But we actually may be starting to make a consolidation flag here. Possibly. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put me a little itty bitty stop loss for now. Right under there. Right on that 575. Just a happy little stop loss. Just a happy little stop loss. Nothing wrong with a little cheery stop loss. Just having a time. I don't know why I'm doing a Bob Ross spiel. John Zadar's already got the Bob Ross spiel covered. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Either way, it's gonna be if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, and it'll be a small little win. Let's see how bad I got killed on CLSD. So I lost 26 there. So if I get stopped out, it won't make up for my loss. But looking at that 15-minute. This sideways triangle of consolidation could go either way. See, now we're back. We're testing. We're already back over 6. Yeah, very nice. So that's exactly what's going on here. We're having a nice little consolidation test. 5 minutes getting closer. Oh, you can see just drop below that 20-day for just a little bit. Now it's back above the 20 days. 625's got a break. Gonna be a few more minutes. See, AMC over $60. CLSD, you dirty scamp. CLSD is starting to come back up. CanF is just eating it. OPGN eating it. UFAB eating it. And look at that little ENSV, a little bit of buying. 3 buyers came in there. Look at a 20-day cross over the 50. The swing, I'm holding still. And SPCB, we just got the 20 crossing over all in EMAs. So both of these swings, I'm going to keep on holding for now. Both little swings. Oh boy, Alf's already back up to 630. We might be getting a little frisky here again. All right, real quick, I'm gonna take a breather before this gets too frisky. I think. It's starting to be a frisky boy. There's a little frisky boy. Oh, no, can't go anywhere. It's starting to come up and test 650. Take my stop loss out. There we go. Boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we're getting halted again. Yeah, we're getting halted again. Dom, nice call out, my friend. Nice call out. What a beautiful rip and run on this sweet, sweet Alabama power. You know, somebody cue the Sweet Home Alabama music for this stock right here. That's what we need going on. We get a little bit of that sweet Alabama love here. Sweet Home Alabama. All right, real quick, I'm gonna go take a breather while this is halted. It should stay halted for 5 minutes. If it doesn't, then I'm calling the SEC and I'm leaving a formal complaint. I'll be right back. It's maybe the first time in my life that I say this, but if it shoots up out of this halt, I may yell "Roll Tide." What's the SPY doing today? Okay, SPY looks like it's just going sideways. Ain't worried about that. Now this is the second halt. So this could easily sell out of this halt. But we are now above, we're in uncharted territory. This is the first time the stock has been this high. There's an IPO with only 12 million. They've got good PR. Maybe the Wall Street Reddit apes will come out and beat their little chest and push this thing up. Some more. FOMO should start kicking in on this stock. It getting halted twice in some of the big grips we've seen. I'm expecting FOMO to kick in, but it could easily sell off. So we're out right here. Let's see. It's testing 650 as support. $650's holding that support pretty good right now. It cracked right there a little bit. 20 days still catching up at 613, but 650 is trying to hold a support. A little bit of selling at 660. Pushing through 660. Oh, nope, still struggling there. This candle pushes, if this candle turns green and pushes over the 667, this will be an engulfing candle. We're going to have a push up. So you got real close. Well, that works too. Boy, the shorters' buttholes are clenching right now. Because if this doesn't come down, they're going to have to cover. If they haven't already covered. And we're just fumbling around this 650, but I like that. I like that buyers are trying to hold this up right now, even after a second halt. Oh, now it's starting to come back down a little bit. There's a nice little triangle breakout there. Trying to decide if I want to lock this out, because this will put me in the green over that loss. So you've got some buyers are trying to hold up 630 now support. What's this thing look on the 15 minute? Boy, on the 15 minute, this thing is just a going. So we just come back down to the 20-day. We'll see that 20-day hold up. Bottom of that candle, 624. Big buyer sitting at 625 just held this up. We're just riding right along the 20 right now. $640 holding at some resistance again. $625 needs to hold. So where's the 20 days? So 20 days at 620. Breaking below that 20 day a little bit here. Let's see if it comes right back up or not. If it doesn't come back up, I'm going to get out. $615 trying to hold. At $615 not able to hold either. I'm going to have to get out. Well, there are some buyers starting to come back in. Let's look at the 5 minute. Where's that 20 at the 5 minute? Okay, the 20 on the 5 minute is there. That 545 area, but we don't want to see it back down that low. We want to see another pop up like we did here. We may have another red candle, maybe. But we want to see it pop up. Bid starting to push it up. Got to break 625 right here. Uh, 615 getting taken out. 610 still holding us some support. Sellers are starting to win this battle a little bit. $6.15 acting as some resistance. That's got to break. We can't be being held up at $6.15. There we go. The 615 is our strong support line. We need that to hold. Yeah, look at all them bids that just stacked on 615. Okay, I was going to say they almost all got taken out that quick. Oh, damn, they still almost got taken out. So this is still a little sketchy to hold. I'm going to add 10 here. Just added 10 shares to my position, averaging up because it looks like it's trying to hold. It's going to try to push back up some more, maybe. Getting back above that 615. Yeah, 625 starting to hold again and support. So we should... Ooh. A little bit of a crazy drop there. I may have to get out here. Oh, back down to that 50-day. We may start to get a dump. This is close to dumping. If this does not get back over 6 very quickly, I'm getting out here. The 50-day is trying to hold. See the 5-minute we've caught up to. Oh, the 20-day is almost caught up on the 5-minute. We're gonna need to see it get, we're gonna need to see it get back over 6 on this candle. If it doesn't, this is gonna be a sell-off. Put a little stop loss in under that red candle in case it does. But there it goes, getting back over 6. Alright, I'm gonna let that do its thing for a minute because it's just kind of consolidating still. AMC still running up to 64, currently at 63. Wish not doing anything. OCGN not doing anything. CLSD, you dirty stock, you. Look at that, stopping me out there and then running. You dirty stock. I'm appalled at that action. CLSD still up 40%, so I just got in a little too early in that high area. But that was in the first was that the first 5 minutes of the market? Yeah, that was dumb. I should have known better than that, getting in the first 5 minutes. Alright, Alf, what are you doing here, bud? Yeah, we may be about to crack. 50-day. Really getting tested here. Well, if this, well, actually, as long as this doesn't push down any lower, as long as it don't drop below 581, we've got a higher low building. There's a low, and then this is a higher low. On the 5 minute, the 20 day is damn near caught up, which is nice. See on the 15 day right there. That's messed up, man. It's Alabama stock, man. It's got resistance right across these candles right there at the devil's marking. But this last 2 weeks has been a very nice hot market. There's been a lot of plays, and that's why I'm holding this for so long, is because we've seen plays run all day. So this has had the momentum. If it can just continue, just having a slow pullback and consolidation, which is a good sign. Out of these halts, it's not dropping hard. Like, we're not just shooting up and shooting straight back down. We're shooting up, getting unhalted, kind of selling off slowly. Buyers trying to hold some support areas. It gets pushed back up once the selling's done. So if we can see it repeat again, I mean, this is the type of chart you want to see. This nice flowing off of the 20, back to the 20, bounce off the 20. Back to the 20, bounce off the 20, back to the 20. This time it did crack below the 20 a little bit, but I mean, we've ran quite a bit, so it just needed to pull back some more. So if the momentum continues, we should see another bounce. Well, first it's got to get back above the 20, which is at 611. And there's a ton of sellers sitting at 610, so we're going to need some nice buying volume to take them out. There we go. There we go, starting to push back over the 20 day. Now let's see if we can hold back above the 20-day. See if buying starts coming back in here. Yes, yep. Looking very nice. Testing that 640. It's been resistance multiple times. A little rejection there. Okay, I was gonna say we don't want to be getting held up at 625 for very long. Look here on the bottom. Look at the buying volume starting to slowly creep up. This candle here is almost to 1 million in volume, and we're green. See if that volume continues to increase here. Come on. It's getting hung up at 630 right now. What are you gonna do here, chap? So you can see last two candles tested the 20-day support. This one testing as well, but that would be an engulfing candle if it can break over 630 on this candle. If it breaks over 630 on this candle right here, this 1 minute candle, we'll see 650. It's gonna break that. How are we looking on the 5 minute? Oh, we're looking very swimmingly on the 5 minute. Double bottom on VISL. Oh, we need to get over 630 here soon. Don't like how this 5 minute candle's getting pushed down. So we're right testing the 20-day moving average again in support. We still got the 50-day right there. The 50-day is almost a 6. So we got a nice little bed of support there. The 20-day is starting to spread. What am I looking at? Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 minute. So looking at the wrong area? Oh, I think I was looking at the wrong area. Okay. Yeah, they've not spread it that much. There's a little spread between the 20 and 50, but until this starts breaking back over 630, if it can. What? How the hell do I keep getting back to that spot? I don't want to look at that spot. I want to look at the current spot. There we go. Getting a break of 630. At least a push. Getting rejected again at 630. I think I might move my stop loss up. You can see on the 5 minute where the 640 area is super strong resistance. All three of these candles smashed into it. And then these two right here getting rejected off of it. But that 330 is really what's causing them problems. We're just riding sideways on this 20. There's no telling which way this is going to go. As long as it's holding above the 20 on the 1 minute, I mean, we're bullish. We're bullish on all charts. So this thing can continue to go. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop loss up a little bit. Keep it right below the 50-day. We're testing 20-day again. Well, it held up right at the last second on that candle. But we got to stop testing support and start testing resistance. Start making making new support areas and breaking through resistance again. Like we need 625 to start holding that support and 630 to break. And 630 to hold that support. But if it keeps doing what it's doing right this second, it's going to come back down. It's right there to that 50 testing again. 50 days held up so far, so we'll see if it can continue to hold up. You see buyers trying to push it back over it. And 50 day is at $6 too, which we know is strong support without the 50 being there. So we got really strong support where we're at. It's just whether or not buyers will keep coming in here. Yep, they're still trying to come in. Let's see if Dom got this call out on VISL. Yeah, a bit of a double bottom going there. Just below all EMAs right now on the 1 minute, but looks good on the daily chart. Wish. PRPO, nice slow climb on PRPO. AEMD, a little climb. TRCH. That was a nice U shape right there. That's perfect, beautiful. Possibly could see a crossover here on the 1 minute on OCGN. The 20 day is about to break the 100 day. I'm sorry. The price is about to break the 100 day, but if it pushes up and can break over 7, it'll be a crossover there. Oh, let's see. Alf starting to crack 6. Is Alf done? Gotta see some buying come into this, or this is gonna crack. This is getting very close. Ooh, look at that huge seller at 605. He's actually getting taken out. Nope. He didn't get taken out. He got halfway taken out. Yeah, it looks like this may be possibly done. If we keep seeing huge sellers like that and they can't get taken out, then this is not going to be able to move up. Oh, I just got stopped out there. Yeah, it's starting to crack. Yeah, that huge seller was a good indicator this was about to drop. So I held as long as I could till the 20-day started pointing downwards, but it was a good rip. Anybody caught this? Very nice. I was trying to hold as long as I could to see if we are going to get a all-day mover like we've been seeing, but not on this boy. This boy's done for now. DPW's exploded. What the hell, DPW? Just randomness all around the market. Oh, yeah. What is going on here? So some other companies acquiring 1,000,000 shares of. Oh, wait, there's a correction. I don't know. Well, this is really moving here. But yeah, off back down to 550. But so that with the $26 loss on CLSD, I'm down $7 on the day. Meh. I just am going to stick to my plan and not hold so long. Because it's so simple. As soon as the damn price is off of the 20-day up here, it's going to pull back to it. So, I don't care how hot the market is. I'm just going to start locking in. So that could have been a bigger win, but coulda, woulda, shoulda, and all of that jazz. See where DPW goes. Is it still ripping? Trying to. So we'll give a stream about 10 more minutes here because I am out of funds. If you guys have any more questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. I'm still transferring money around and stuff, so I will be on Street Smart Edge, but I traded all my funds yesterday, so I'm going to be able to trade on it again until tomorrow because I don't have that much funds on it yet, but we will get there. Like I said, it's transition week. And if you haven't signed up for the giveaways, go check out those videos so you can sign up. You got a week to sign up. SPY downtrending today after hitting that high. So let's see. Let's go to the 15-minute and see what is going to be stuff to watch for the rest of the day. CLSD, although a tricky little fellow. If it can hold the 20-day, could make another move. AMC is trying to push a little bit. It's consolidating sideways right now in the 64 area, looking for a breakout over 65, so that could be one to keep an eye on. If ALF comes all the way back down to 5, you could possibly see a bounce off of 5. That's another possible play. I don't like Wish that much.
PRPO looking pretty good. Maybe be able to get some scalps there. See, Torchlight is an oil and gas exploration company, and they declared a special dividend for the Series A preferred stock. So I'm not sure why retail traders are buying this, because that dividend is not for the common shares, but it is close to breaking out here. Got that pre-market high at 518, starting to curl back up above all EMAs. It's pretty bullish. Little U shape there on the 15. That's TRCH, so definitely keep that one on watch. DPW still ripping. Be careful with DPW, just because this thing is a very unpredictable stock. Sometimes it'll rip hard and then drop. You can see back here a lot. Let me get rid of that. Like back here, it ripped pretty hard, and then the next day it ripped some more, but then had a huge drop. See back there, another drop, big drop. So you gotta. It's in the past. I mean, I've been trading DPW for, I don't know, 3 years, something like that, because it pops randomly quite a bit. But from my experience, it also can pull back at any time. But the 20-day is starting to cross the 50. It does have room all the way up to 414 at that 200-day. So a couple different plays. Keep eyes on. A couple different bullish plays. The DPW is way off the 20 right now in the 5 minutes. So I don't know how much more it can run without a pullback on the 5 minutes. I mean, this candle was a little bit of a pullback, but not that much. Alright guys, well, I gotta get going. I'm gonna call it a day. Thursday, my power is going to be off most of the day. We've got some tree people coming, so they gotta have the power off in case one of the tree limbs falls on a power line or any of that. So I don't know what time the power is gonna be off, but I'm assuming it's gonna be early morning. So there may not be any live stream in the morning, and there may not be a last rip episode, depending on how long it takes for all that to happen. So Thursday will probably end up being a break day, a little vacation. But yeah, remember, if you haven't signed up, go sign up for the giveaway. But appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Oh, before you go, if you haven't hit that like button, smash that like button. Until next time.